Hey y'all, it's your friend D, and I just got back from Walmart. I went to get a few groceries, but as always, I had to check out the toy section and I found these mini BarbieLand lipsticks. I have seen a lot of YouTubers review the new mini BarbieLand toys, and I've seen the houses. I think there's a car, an airplane, and a boat, but I haven't seen anyone talk about these. These are in the shape of a lipstick with the cap off of it, and this is the pink one. And the container is gray and black and has Barbie on the front, and you get a mini Barbie inside. And there's several Barbies that you could get, and I think they're all based on fashionista dolls, and there's even a couple of Ken dolls. So based on the picture, I guess we remove the top and then we twist the gray part and our doll will appear. And on the back of it, it has the instructions again, as well as all the dolls that you could possibly get. And there are two Ken dolls here on the end. And my store had a red one as well, and the bottom of it is just like the pink one. Here's the pink one out of the packaging, and it is the size of a real lipstick. So we take the top off, and there's our doll, and I think we twist her up. And there she is. And she does have some plastic on her. And she's removable. She just has a little hole there that she stands in. So we got the doll with the pink dress with the ruffle around the top of it. And she does have a necklace on. Really cute. So these dolls bend at the waist. So here's the red one. And we can twist her up. Take off the plastic. And we have the doll in the red and white t-shirt dress and pink tennis shoes and a little bow on top of her head. I forgot to tell you the price of these. They were $2.88 at my local Walmart. And while I was in Walmart, I found something on clearance that I think will go really well with these two ladies. I found this Barbie activity set marked down to $1.50. The original price was $10.97. On the back of the packaging, you can see all the pieces that come with this set. So you get a palm tree that is actually an ink pen, and you get a notepad or activity pad, a notepad inside this little door here, some crayons, and looks like some Barbie stampers. You get 3 of those. A window is a stencil, so okay. And it says sticker rolls. Here's the set out of the packaging, and you get 3 stamps with it, and each stamp has a different doll featured on it. Here's the purple stamp, and the doll is only pictured on the front. And the bottom has a star on it. This cap comes off. And here's the blue stamp, and like the other one, the photo is only on the front. And this stamp is a rainbow. And I just realized that the ink is already on the stamps because I got blue on my nails. Here's the pink stamp. And this one is a heart. So the palm tree is actually an ink pen. You can see the leaves at the top, and the rest of it is a shiny metallic pink color. On the front of the house, we have this little door here. Looks like there's some brick in it, and maybe this is some flowers hanging over. You open this up, and there is, oh, that was the stencil that fell out. There is a little notepad. I had to put the stencil against some paper so you can get a better look at it. So it looks like we have a couple of hearts, a star, maybe that's the sun, a palm tree, and the Barbie logo. You get 4 crayons, a pink, blue, yellow, and purple one. And each crayon is wrapped in paper with the Barbie logo on it. And it also says Barbie. On this side, we can see the notepad. The notepad is pink and blue and it says "Together We Shine." It is a spiral notepad and it has a picture of two Barbies on the front. And when you open it, this first page has a picture of some more Barbies. I guess you can color that. And it says, "Draw a picture of what Barbie and her friends are thinking about." And then the rest of it is, looks like you have some blank pages with stars around it and several other pictures of Barbie that you can color and write things about. And this is the back side of the house, and this is where you'll find your stickers. So you get 2 rolls. Here's the first roll, and as you can see, it's very shiny. I think I see skates, a suitcase, sunglasses, and a camera, and some other stickers. And the other roll does have different stickers. I see Malibu right there, and a cat and a dog. Looks like a bike, and some flip-flops, and several other stickers on this one. There is a place right in front of the door for one of the stamps to go. And the other 2 stamps can fit on these little balcony areas on top of the house. So here are the stamps in place. And they cannot fit on this little balcony. The only place that the stamps will fit inside of the house is on this side. But as you can see, the BarbieLand mini dolls fit on the balcony as well as in the house. And I thought that this little house for $1.50 would be a very nice addition to have once I get all of the other BarbieLand minis. I want this house to look as if the dolls actually live here. So I was looking for some photos of the Barbie dream house to use as a backdrop on the back side of this window here. And I couldn't find anything that I liked, and honestly, I just got tired of looking. So I remembered I had this leftover packaging from my video yesterday where I reviewed some Dollar Tree backdrops. So I cut this out and I'm going to take it over to my printer and probably increase the size by 100%. So here's how it came out, and I'm hoping that these will work. I think the house came out pretty good. For this section, I just copied my backdrop. So my friends, let me know what you think about these items, the mini BarbieLand lipstick dolls and the Barbie activity set. And if you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.